Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are trying to clean the ice area, clear stuck ice, or simply remove the tray from your LG refrigerator, the process may feel a little confusing at first, especially if the tray does not move as easily as expected. Sometimes the ice tray feels stuck because of extra ice buildup, while other times people worry they might pull too hard and damage something accidentally. Since LG refrigerator ice trays can sit differently depending on the model, removing them carefully is definitely important. The best part is that once you know where to check and how to move it properly, the process is usually much simpler than expected. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to remove the ice tray from an LG refrigerator safely. Try these. Step 1. Open the freezer section of the LG refrigerator and locate the ice tray area. Step 2. Check the LG refrigerator ice tray for any ice blocking movement. Step 3. Hold the LG refrigerator ice tray carefully and release clips if your model includes them. Step 4. Pull the LG refrigerator ice tray out slowly without forcing movement. Step 5. Clean the LG refrigerator ice tray if buildup or stuck ice appears inside. Step 6. Reinstall the LG refrigerator ice tray carefully and confirm it slides back smoothly.